Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we're back in for another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Desmond, and welcome to DM Fishing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to throw a cast net. The weather's been on and off here in Southwest Florida. It's been cold and not cold a lot, so it's really not the best time to be going fishing right now. And we just had the solar eclipse, so that kind of messed up the tides and stuff. So I'm going to give it maybe until about next week, maybe the week after when it gets warmer back out again. But until then, I'm just going to show you guys how to cast net. Now, this is my way of cast netting. I'm still a really new cast netter, so don't like judge me too much, all right? Okay, everybody. So today, I have with me a 4-foot cast net, which expands 8 feet wide. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do it, at least. So here's what we're going to do. First thing you want to do is don't leave your cast net on the ground like that. It's not very safe. Yeah. So every cast net has this right here. It's a little ring to put around your wrist. What you want to do is you want to put that around your wrist like so. And then what you want to do is you want to get your rope, and it's going to be about 10 feet long maybe, and you just want to wrap it, like put it in your hand like this. So, just get your rope and grab it. Just wrap it in your hand like so until you get to here, which here is what you would call your horn, and this is your line that goes through your cast net, which is what puts it together. So now, once you have your line in your hand and you've got your horn like this, hold your cast net up just like this. And what you want to do is you want to grab your cast net right at the top here, where that horn is. So right there at the top, you want to grab it. You want to get your cast net, and you want to go about 25-50%. So either about half or just a quarter of it. You want to hold it up like that, and you want to put this little part in your hand just like so, while grabbing the other part of the cast net. So now your cast net should be shorted by about 25-50%. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that your cast net is all good. You want to get it, make sure there's no tangles or anything. Alright, so I've got mine untangled now. So now here's the part to get your net to open. So remember when I told you want to have this part here in your hand? That little part, just give yourself a little bit of space so you have a decent amount of net to throw. Now what you want to do is open your net. So grab the side. So your net is going to be bunched up like that at the bottom. What you want to do is grab the side of your net, and now when you open your net up, open it up just enough. So you want to open it up and then swing it around your shoulder. So get one good arm span open, and then swing it around your shoulder, and then get another amount just by feel like this, swing that around your shoulder, and then you want to do that one more time. You want to swing around your shoulder. Now what you want to do is with your other hand, with your same hand that you use, get the other side of the net, that other side, right, that's on this side here. You want to get that side of the net, and you want to put that in your hand like that. Now, some people like to do this, some people don't. You don't have to, but I personally like to. You want to get the back side of your net and put it in your mouth. Now, don't put the freaking, hold up. You want to get the back side of your net, or your net, and put it in your mouth. Now, don't put the weight in your mouth, because it will knock your teeth out. Now, what you want to do is, with this opening, lay this part of the net down on your arm, right? You want to lay it down just like that. Have a good amount. Lay it down. And what you want to do is, when you throw, you want to spin. So you want to turn, take a step, and then throw your net up. So I'm going to give you guys a better angle, so that way you can kind of see better. So like I said, spin, cast up. If And make sure to let go. If you don't let go, you will knock your tooth out. And there you go. You've got a perfect pancake. And all you do is just pull. And this isn't a pool, so of course I'm not going to have bait in it. All you do is you want to pull it up. And that horn that I told you about, that orange part, grab it. And just do that to open it. Yeah. Happens just like that. So now that I've showed you how to cast net, I hope you guys use this. Very valuable to catch bait like mullet, greenback, shiners, everything. Pretty much everything you can use when you're salt or freshwater fishing. Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys is when you're freshwater fishing, always make no. When you're saltwater fishing, always make sure that you rinse your net after, or else your net will get crusty. Like, it'll get crusty and hard. It'll be hard to cast. It'll make your net vulnerable to rips and stuff a lot easier. So don't be like some people, and I'm not talking about me, but don't be like some people and not rinse your net off. And all you have to do to service it is just get your net and do like how you're about to cast, but this time just you don't open the net. You just fold it up, and you want to keep your rope like that, and you can either wrap your rope around it or not, and you just put your net in a bucket or a bag. I use a bag, or you can put it back in the original bucket your net had come with. And I mean, yeah, it's really simple, really easy. I promise you it works. And if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And until then, see you.